Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girls. So today I want to thank Lwigs for sponsoring this video and sending over this curly braided wig to me. It is so freaking cute, super easy to install. The hair is so manageable. I adore this wig so much. But if you guys want to see me install this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this video. All right, you guys, we got a Lwigs wig today. I'm very excited about this one. So we've got some wig caps, a pink rack tail comb. We got a whole bunch of like these little stickers to lay your wig down. Oh, there's some cute hair clips in here and 2 clips. I love these. These are my favorite. Then we got a hair card. It just says 16 inches on there. All right, now here is the wig, you guys. We have a braided wig. Take a little look-see on the lace at the top. I believe this is like a closure. Yeah, this is like it looks like a 5x5 closure probably. It does have 2 combs, elastic band, and a comb in the back. Or it does have some baby hairs on here as well, and the knots look like they're bleached, which is really nice. So we just gotta go in and cut this lace off. But yes, it looks like there's just, oh, it looks like there's just braids at the top, but it's giving like the illusion of like some like boho braids, but there's just braids at the top where the closure is. And then the rest of the hair is just like curly with the ombre in it, which is really cute. This should be super cute and really easy to do. The curls, the hair is really soft. I really love the ombre. The color is just beautiful. I love how it goes from dark to light on the ends. It looks really pretty. I'll probably throw some water and some mousse on here. But yeah, I'm really excited about this one. This should be really easy and quick to install. So off camera real quick, I'm going to put some foundation on the lace and cut the extra lace off, and then I'll come back and do the baby hairs with you guys and style the curls real quick. But yes, look how much movement it has. It's really pretty. It looks like it's tangle free too, which is really nice. Perfect. All right, let's get into this. Oh shoot, we also have a baby hair brush. All right, you guys, so I finished. All right, you guys, so I finished installing the hair. The hair it's a little bit damp still, but not very much. The hair is still tangle free. It has a lot of movement, a lot of body. I did put some dramatic baby hairs in here, but you don't have to do that part. You definitely don't, but I don't ever do dramatic baby hairs, so I thought, why not with the braided wig? I already got braids going on. There's already a lot going on, so I wanted to do something extra with the baby hairs. So I put some swoop diddy dupes in there. But yes, the hair turned out really, really good. The hair is so freaking soft, you guys. It's so stinking soft. I love it. It was really, really easy to install. It feels so comfortable on my head. Braids do have like some boho curls coming out of them, which is really nice. The hair just looks really, really full, and the braids just give an extra detail on the wig that is just cute. It is really just cute. Honestly, you can tone it down with the baby hairs, to be honest. Like, I low-key want, you can tone it down with the baby hairs. You don't have to do so much. I don't know, maybe, hold on. I think I'm gonna tone down the baby hairs, because they're kind of distracting. They're distracting. So hold on, I'll be right back. All right, I toned down the baby hairs. What y'all think? Better? Better? Not so distracting? Okay. All right, yes, so I will have all the information to this wig in the description box below. You can get this wig in a shorter length or a longer length. I believe it comes in different colors and all that. All the information will be in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. Don't forget to drop a comment and let me know how you guys feel about this wig. Honestly, I'm really just obsessed with the color, and the curls are just so soft. This hair is just so freaking soft, and it hasn't been shedding at all. No tangles. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. I really love the colors. But drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys happy that I calmed down those baby hairs? Honestly, be honest with me. Be honest with me. Okay. Anyway, thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Thank you again, Lwigs, for sending over this wig and sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys in the next video.